Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get medium combat achievements. This tier offers exciting challenges for players looking to enhance their combat prowess. You will need to accumulate 148 total points by completing various tasks. These achievements are designed to test your understanding of boss mechanics and your overall combat skills, providing a rewarding experience as you progress. Before diving into the tasks, ensure you are well prepared. You'll want combat stats around 75, alongside specific skill levels like 77 Slayer, 43 Prayer, and 38 Magic. Crucial quests include Priest in Peril for Barrow's access and a Kingdom Divided for Thralls. Don't forget essential gear like an anti-dragon shield and boss-specific keys for encounters like Auber and Bryophyta. Many tasks involve defeating bosses under specific conditions. For example, you might need to kill the King Black Dragon with a stab weapon or Skatizo without active altars. Barrow's tasks often require precise prayer usage or specific attack styles. You'll also face challenges at minigames like Wintertot and Temporos, demanding careful execution to meet their unique achievement criteria. Completing medium combat achievements grants significant rewards. The standout is Gommel's Hilt 2, offering 5 daily God Wars dungeon teleports and completely negating Barrow's prayer drain when equipped. You also receive a 10,000 experience lamp for a skill above level 30. A 5% boost to medium clue scroll drops, and increased cannonball capacity to 35.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.